intermission. Okay, so I'd just like to take the time to thank everybody who decided to come out today. So thank you to all of our competitors for one. Also, our supporting parents. Also, big thanks goes out to Science World for having us here. So let's give a big round of applause for them. Even though they can't actually hear us. Okay, but we can thank them by making sure this place is nice and clean by the time we leave. So take all your garbage with you, please. Take all your personal belongings with you, please. And without further ado, I'm just going to start announcing the big winners for tonight. So just so you know, anybody who placed in top 3 of any event will get to choose from our small pile of stuff on this end of the table. So you can feel free to grab either a cube bag, a small tube of lubricant, or a set of Cube Smith stickers. So we're going to start with Megamix. So Megamix with a third place of 188.2 seconds. That's Jonah Chen. .78 seconds. That's Daniel Chan. And first place, average 116.11 seconds. That's Jacob Hutnick.
Jonah. No, we have to take pictures.
Oh. We're kind of running low on time. Yeah. We kind of ran behind schedule, so my apologies for that. Okay, next up we have the Pyraminx event. So with an average of 9.05 seconds, that's Mocha Meyer. Second place, average of 7.25 seconds, Julian Borkowski. First place, average of 6.81 seconds, Jacob Hutnick. He was already way before I even mentioned it. No, well, later. Not from that side. You don't already have lots of stuff. Jacob, don't go away because you won third place in Ski at an average of 9.83 seconds. Second place, average of 9.18 seconds. That's Ryan Cow. They're all the same. Don't mix them up, please.
Definitely Chris. For what?
First place in Scube, average of 5.18 seconds. That's Christy Aces.
Yeah. I'll probably take third again.
Okay, Jacob, don't go away because you won third place in 3x3 OH. Average of 18.58 seconds. Third place, average of 17.09 seconds, Daniel Chan.
He's going to be able to make a bigger pieces if he has it.
And through no fault or no choice of his own, because he was under great protest, average of 15.68 seconds, Sitanon Turbo Sukeya.
Yeah!
Turbo's still here.
Yeah, he was sleeping.
Wake up, Turbo.
Hey!
See, this is what you get for showing up. Okay, next up, 3x3 BLD. The only successful winner, successful solve, and you know what, that's still honorable, so that's Jason Lewis, and I don't see an... Oh yes, for 286.86 seconds, Jason.
Yeah. 1 minute 46. No, 1 minute 46.
Just, yeah. Next up, 4x4. Average of 61.08 seconds, Jonah Chen. Don't knock over the camera, that's more expensive than your cubes. You almost knocked over the camera. Second place, average of 59.35 seconds, that's Christy Aces. Average of 37.23 seconds, Jacob Hutnick. Okay, so last two events. Average of 4.31 seconds, that's Aiden Kwok.
2 by 2, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Did I forget to say that? Yes.
Yeah.
My bad. 2 by 2. Okay. Second place in the 2 by 2. That's Seth De Silva, an average 4.04 seconds. And last up, first place, 3.90 seconds is Anthony Brooks.
No.
Wait, what?
I called your name. You just won. You won first place. It's 2 by 2.
What was my average?
3.90 seconds.
Oh, okay.
Did you want to? No.
Oh, right.
Gee, I got to force it into your hands, practically. From this side.
This side of the table.
So, like, grab one of these, or one of these, or one of, just one of. Just you can just.
Oh.
You won 3 by 3 anyways, you get another one.
Yeah, you will. So, okay.
Spoiler.
Spoiler alert! Come on. Wow.
Well, that's obvious.
Okay, third place in 3 by 3 main event. 12.79 seconds, Daniel Chan. Second place, average of 10.48 seconds, Jacob Budnick. And first place, average of 8.85 seconds. Get up here, Anthony. Okay, so we are also going to.
It's on the other side of it.
Oh, I guess to choose from here now? How does this work?
It's still from the same place.
Dude.
Sweet. Okay, so now we're going to start announcing our overall. So before, how's this going to work?
Call them in order from like
Okay, so we have our 12 overall, and this is based on overall performance. The top 3 winners are going to win a cash prize of $20, $30, and $50 respectively. 50 for the first prize. Everyone else will get to pick from the pile of puzzles at the end. And I do apologize for how ghetto the puzzles have been this year. This was kind of a last-minute endeavor for us, so unfortunately we do need more time to get puzzle sponsorship. But so this is what it is for now. Better stuff will be for next year, next competition, I promise. And unless they got lost in the mail, which sometimes might happen, because I don't think my order's been insured. Anyways, enough of that. So 12th overall is Dan Fast.
we're going from first.
I actually won something?
You did, but just come up and like from there we're gonna just go in the right order to pick from prizes.
Oh, I might.
11th place is Justin Liu. It's late night time. Give me a break. 10th place overall, Jonah Chen. 9th place overall, Julian Bukowski. Burkowski. 8th place overall, Jack Manuel. Keep up. Who's not here?
I go to a school though, so should I take this?
We'll deal with that. We'll cross that road and come to that. 9th place overall, Ryan Cow.
That won't work.
Hey, Ryan.
6th place overall, Aiden Kwok. 5th place overall, Daniel Chan. 4th place overall, Janelle Tin. 3rd place overall, Chris Diasis. 2nd place overall, Anthony Brooks. And 1st place overall, Jacob Budnick. Oh yeah, just to make it a little bit nicer, so 3rd place overall goes to Chris Diasis. 2nd place overall goes to Anthony Brooks. And 1st place overall to Jacob Budnick. And
Thanks.
so go buy yourself a bunch of games. Okay, so
What's going on over there?
that's just for winners from 4 to.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys got your prize already. So Janelle 10. Wait, no, you did.
Yeah.
I'm doing it in the proper order. I'm tired.
You were confused last time.
See, Janelle. So formal lineup. So Daniel Chan next, followed by Aiden Kwok, Ryan, Cal, Jack Manuel, and you're pinch hitting for him, right? Jack Manuel and
I don't know what he wants though, so.
just pick someone random. He'll like it. He'll like it because you'll make him like it, right? Julius Mikowski, Jody Chen.
Oh, I got one from last year. And
You know what? Justin Liu, then Dan Bassar. I have no idea, but. Yes. So I'm just gonna turn the mic over to Anthony Brooks.
Just quick thing, I have a bunch of these cards to give out. It has like my website and tutorials and social media stuff linked to it. So if you want one, just come find me in a minute once Vince, finishes up.
Save it for next year. So I'd like to thank everybody for coming out. That's the competition. We got to be out of here pretty soon because we actually ran out of time. So you don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. Good night.
Really, one more thing. Organizing these competitions is so much work. It's we should really have a round of applause.
Good night, everybody.
If you want a card, I'm back here.
Yep, seriously, if you find a water.